First on our list is the humble kidney bean. Popular in chili, salads, and stews, these small yet mighty legumes pack a surprising punch. Raw kidney beans contain a natural toxin called phytohemagglutinin, which can cause severe nausea, vomiting, and even lead to hospitalization if consumed in large amounts. The solution? Always soak your beans and cook them at a high temperature to neutralize this toxin. Moving along, we come to the second common food on our list, the green potato. Yes, you heard it right. When potatoes are exposed to light for prolonged periods, they start to turn green due to the formation of a toxin called solanine. This toxin can cause a variety of symptoms, from mild stomach upset to hallucinations or, in severe cases, even paralysis. So, make sure to store your potatoes in a cool, dark place and cut off any green parts before cooking. Next up, we have the ever-popular rhubarb. While the stalks of this plant are used in a variety of dishes, the leaves contain a poison called oxalic acid. Consuming rhubarb leaves can cause a burning sensation in the mouth and throat, difficulty breathing, and, in severe cases, seizures or kidney failure. Remember to always discard the leaves and only use the stalks in your cooking. Last but not least, we have the sweet and juicy cherry. But beware of the pit. Cherry pits, along with those of other stone fruits like peaches, plums, and apricots, contain a compound called amygdalin, which turns into cyanide when ingested. While swallowing a pit or two is unlikely to cause harm, intentionally crushing and consuming these pits can lead to cyanide poisoning. In summary, while kidney beans, green potatoes, rhubarb, and cherries are common foods found in many kitchens, their toxic components can pose serious health risks if not properly prepared or consumed. Always remember to cook kidney beans thoroughly, store potatoes correctly, discard rhubarb leaves, and avoid consuming crushed cherry pits. Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember, knowledge is the first step to wellness. Until next time, keep exploring the hidden secrets of everyday foods.